lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Don't take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Cancer, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February of 2025 reading. This is a monthly reading, no? So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Again, nagla-live po tayo doon. Nandun ang ating interactive no? Question and answer. At kung hindi po kayo nakaka-resonate dito sa reading na ito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. So that's a totally different reading. Nandun na po ang ating monthly. So for February of 2025. So I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Magsimula na tayo. Cancer. I think na medyo fino-focus na natin ang ating sarili sa probably health, no? Baka kasi feeling natin, ay nalosyang na ako. Ay medyo napabayaan ko talaga itong, whether it is for vanity, for health-wise, no? One thing's for sure, kasi parang feeling natin, merong mga requirements kung trabaho ba ito, no? Napaka-judgmental naman kasi ng ibang mga trabaho, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, di ba? Ang taas-taas ng requirements, minimum lang naman ang ibibigay or yung iba provincial rate, ano? Kailangan 4 years ganito or may kailangan pleasing personality, yung iba kailangan buo ang ngipin, no? Well, yung iba naman kasi understood. Pero parang yung iba kasi hindi naman makatarungan, no? Parang feeling nila, ay, magmamodel ba ako, no? Ay, magpipictorial ba ako, no? Parang mag-aartista ba ako? Parang ang taas ng requirements, no? Kasi this is more of physical. Ang nakikita ko more of physical kasi ang gusto niyong mabago. Yung iba naman, health-wise, so something still physical pa rin. Baka kasi siguro din ngayon medyo health conscious na tayo, no? Kung buhay pag-ibig ito, medyo our insecurity kicks in. So parang sinasabi natin sa sarili natin na kaya siguro kami nagkahiwalay or baka narinig ko rin talaga in person, no, with the King of Wands na either masyado akong payat, kailangan ko naman mag-gain ng weight, o kailangan ko masyado akong mataba, kailangan ko mag-slim ng weight. No, parang whatever the standards of others. Kung physical man ito, and again, vanity, you want to fit in. Kung health-wise naman, so you don't care, ang importante sa'yo is either gumaling or ma-enhance, no, itong well-being, no, with the King of Wands and the Knight of Cups. Siguro nakikinig tayo ngayon sa mga advices, no? Meron tayong mga, uso yun ngayon di ba? Sa mga reels, uso yan. Sa mga shorts, sa TikTok, no? Yung mga, alam nyo ba ang dahon ng malunggay ay blah blah blah, yada yada yada, no? Okay, alam nyo ba ang oil, ano ba yung oregano oil? Oregano oil yung nakita ko the latest, no? Na nakakapagpatanggal ng eye bags, blah blah yada yada, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, blah 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 yada yada, no? So, I think nandun tayo ngayon sa mga, ayoko naman sabihin na self-medication, pwede rin naman, pero mas maganda kung kumonsul tayo sa professionals, ano? With the 5 of Swords and the 8 of Cups. Nawalan tayo ng gana sa sarili natin. Siguro, meron ditong either opportunity or tao, no? Kung kumbaga opportunity, um, sabihin natin we failed to enter a specific company, um, we failed no doon sa ina-applyan nating positions, no, and we feel like ay nawalan ako ng gana. So parang no matter what I did or do rather, hindi ako magfi-fit in. Ngayon parang binabalik mo yung kumpiyansa mo. If this is a person, parang sinabi mo sa sarili mo na um, I'm doing this for myself, no? Pag ako talaga na-enhance ang itsura ko, huyo ka sa akin, no? With the Hermit, matagal mo itong isipan. Well, for a few numbers of you din, no? Ibabatin ko na lang din. Kasi this may also apply. General naman siya. Simula na nagkaroon ng loss of either family member or someone that's really close to our hearts, parang hindi na natin na-control, no? Ang either pag-gain ng weight, hindi na tayo nakakapaligo masyado. I think that this is the time medyo binabalik natin. You're mature right now. The maturity that you got from the situation, I feel like may nagbukas na opportunities uli dito. And this time, you wanna make it right, no? Kung buhay pag-ibig naman ito, it could also be a new person, no? Ngayon kasi ang nagiging siste kasi with the Fool card in here and there's the Hermit in here, so magkalayo ang edad niya, di ba? The Hermit is someone a little older. The Fool card is someone that is younger. So it could be a May-December love affair. It might not be. Baka pwedeng konti lang din naman ang edad. Basta merong age gap, no? Kung hindi naman age gap or hindi numbers ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, pwedeng maturity. Kasi meron talaga ding mga batang mature mag-isip. May mga matatandang walang pinagkatandaan. Di ba? So, meron din mga bata na kala mo naman nabuhay ng 19 kopong-kopong. Ngayon ay medyo sila yung mga tinatawag na old school, no? Meron mga medyo may edad na youngsters pa rin, young at heart, ayan. So, ang nakikita natin dito, you wanna keep up, no? You wanted to somehow meet the times of, siguro kung hindi ka techie, ngayon nag-aaral ka about either computer or technology, no? There's something in here that the other person is doing. This is a new person, no? Kumbaga, you're opening yourself up to a new person. Something that you probably asked for, manifested, you have been searching for love for quite a while, no? So, with the Death card, well, yung iba sa inyo, mahihirapan kasi may bagong dadating. Yung iba naman, mapapagitnaan kayo ng someone from the past, which is itong person na ito na nagsabi na, because this is from the past, right? Yun na nagsabing either nagbaba ng confidence nyo. Because of what you're doing, eto na nga, mauhuyok ka, no? Mauhuyok ka, no, ate o kuya, no? Kasi mas inaalagaan niya na ang sarili niya. Ngayon, ang medyo sleepless nights ang situation dito or medyo bothered ka. Not because of the changes, but probably because of these two opportunities na mag-open. You might be in a situation na ang hirap-hirap na mag-break ng someone's heart, no? Ang hirap na magpaiyak ng isang tao, not because na nagtitrip ka, pero ito talaga kasi ang kailangan. Hindi pwedeng mamangka sa dalawang ilog unless, hindi natin pag-uusapan to, sinabi ko lang, unless na nandun nga tayo sa practice of religion and we're not going there, no? Because that's voodoo, no? That's taboo. Voodoo, that's taboo, no? So, ang religion, I'm not talking about religion here. There are some exemptions to the rules. And those are, kung nandun ka sa specific religion na yun, then it might. Alam ko, hindi rin basta-basta, no? Hindi basta-basta o basta gusto kita. No? I think meron certain bracket of financial stability. I don't know. Let me know. Kasi hindi naman wala ako sa religion na yan. But either way, parang sinasabi mo dito na kailangan no? Kailangan meron ng isang pagsisilbihan ng puso ko. Isa lang naman kasi ang puso ko. No? Kaya dapat isa lang din ang tao, ang laman ng damdamin ko. No? So this is your reading. Naku, nakaka-stress nga naman. That's true. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person or persons. Pero bago yan, I want you to know na nandun po sa kabilang channel again ang ating live sessions. Interactive yan. Pwede kayo magtanong doon. And I want you also to know na may readings po doon. Ibang reading yon. Kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. Kung hindi nyo naaabot ang live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero, kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating description box. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Sa website po, nandun po yung question form, amount per question, the name, number, and the QR code for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng iyong person. Sagittarius, Aries, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, Virgo, Leo. Yeah, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste and see you sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.
You